There's a number of things that stands out for me today. It's fantastic energy here in the room, really focused on collaboration, the opportunity that FinTech innovation presents for us all across the UK. Particularly, I'm really interested in the sessions that follow on from the Khalifa Review, what's happening since then and what more opportunity we have actually as we think about that ambition that we're setting ourselves. Really focused on some of the stuff that's going on with ESG and the ESG agenda. I think FinTech really presents us with an opportunity there to find solutions and drive change. And of course, the other really particularly interesting focus area for me is consumer outcomes. How do we use FinTech to drive better outcomes for customers? That's really what we're all about. I'm here to discuss UK FinTech, the opportunity that we have across our regions to drive and contribute to the full opportunity that we have for UK FinTech. So FinTechScotland is a cluster management organisation. We are here to really harness the opportunity that FinTech innovation presents for our economy, for our social outcomes and for the environment. We do that across a number of different objectives, supporting an innovative community of FinTech entrepreneurs, of which there are around 224 at the moment, and driving impactful collaboration working with the large financial services institutions. We're very focused on an inclusive cluster, driving the opportunities, working with our universities, working with consumer groups, and thinking about the international reach that we have. The FinTech Research and Innovation Roadmap was an opportunity for us to get the views of industry, FinTech entrepreneurs, financial services institutions, professional services organisations, universities, regulators and others to really help us think about what should the future of finance look like and what are the priorities for research and innovation. 1 year on, having identified 4 key priority areas, we're celebrating the progress that we've made. So if I take those in turn and start to think about climate finance, one of the really important priorities that the industry told us they'd like to see more innovation and research on. We've seen an increase in FinTech numbers, really focused on that area, in fact 100% increase, driving outcomes for consumers and businesses as we think about the climate agenda. The other topics on that roadmap included open finance data, payments and transactions and financial regulation. There are many fantastic outcomes from all of those priorities. If I picked up another, I would share with you is the work that we're going to do in the year ahead to develop the Financial Regulation Innovation Lab, a really fantastic opportunity for us to build a collaborative environment that will allow us to work across the industry with regulators and with innovators to strive to drive change in financial regulation using technology. So there's a number of things coming down the track. Let me tell you about 2 in particular. We're working with the financial services institutions, large organisations to develop innovation challenges, innovation calls. It gives us a really specific question to ask our FinTech entrepreneurs to provide a solution for. Really important because that enables impactful collaboration and good business outcomes for those FinTech businesses. So there'll be more of that. The second thing that we'll be focused on is our work and collaboration with CFIT. CFIT was a really important outcome from the Khalifa Review and we're delighted to support the team there as they get established and they really think about driving that opportunity across the UK, and FinTechScotland knows we have a role to play to support that. So our message to industry is that we know collaboration will drive change. The FinTech Research and Innovation Roadmap is a really good example. That shaped an industry voice to really identify the priorities for innovation and research as we think about the potential that FinTech presents. As we launch the Financial Regulation Innovation Lab as an example, that work programme will be shaped with industry contribution, with industry collaboration. So please get in touch, get involved.